Join me as I dive into the challenging journey of trying to save a marriage after an affair. Can love really conquer all? Healing a marriage after an affair is a daunting task that requires commitment, trust, and open communication from both partners. It's a journey that demands vulnerability, empathy, and a willingness to confront the darkest corners of our own hearts. In today's video, we'll explore the essential steps involved in rebuilding a relationship shattered by infidelity. Communication is key in any successful relationship, and it's especially crucial when working to heal from an affair. Both partners must be willing to listen actively, express themselves honestly, and create a safe space for open dialogue. This allows them to process their emotions, work through their feelings, and find a path forward together. Trust, however, is a fragile entity that's easily broken and extremely difficult to rebuild. It requires consistent effort, reliability, and follow-through from both partners. When trust is broken, it's essential to acknowledge the hurt, take responsibility for one's actions, and make amends in a sincere and meaningful way. Commitment is the glue that holds a relationship together, even in the darkest of times. When both partners are committed to the healing process, they can work together to rebuild their connection, strengthen their bond, and create a more resilient relationship. But what are the essential prerequisites for embarking on this journey? The first essential prerequisite is emotional readiness. Both partners must be willing to confront their emotions, insecurities, and fears head-on. This emotional awareness is crucial in understanding each other's perspectives, validating each other's feelings, and working together to find common ground. The second essential prerequisite is openness to communication. Both partners must be willing to engage in honest, raw, and sometimes uncomfortable conversations. This openness allows them to clear the air, address underlying issues, and work towards a deeper understanding of each other. The third essential prerequisite is guidance. Seeking the help of a therapist, counselor, or trusted advisor can provide a safe and neutral space for both partners to process their emotions, work through their issues, and find effective communication strategies. Rebuilding a relationship shattered by an affair is a long and arduous journey. It requires patience, empathy, and a willingness to grow and learn together. So, what are the essential steps involved in this healing process? The first step is to acknowledge the hurt and take responsibility for one's actions. This acknowledgement is crucial in validating the other partner's feelings and creating a safe space for open dialogue. The second step is to have honest conversations. These conversations should be raw, emotional, and sometimes uncomfortable. They allow both partners to process their emotions, clear the air, and work towards a deeper understanding of each other. The third step is to set boundaries. These boundaries are essential in rebuilding trust, creating a sense of safety, and establishing a new normal in the relationship. The fourth step is to rebuild trust. This is a fragile and delicate process that requires consistent effort, reliability, and follow-through from both partners. Trust is built through small actions, consistent behaviors, and a willingness to be vulnerable. The fifth step is to find forgiveness. Forgiveness is a complex and often misunderstood concept. It's not about forgetting the past, but about releasing the negative emotions associated with the affair. The sixth step is to create a new normal. This new normal involves establishing new routines, traditions, and rituals that promote connection, intimacy, and bonding. The seventh step is to maintain patience, empathy, and understanding. Healing from an affair is a long and arduous journey that requires patience, empathy, and understanding from both partners. The eighth step is to recognize triggers. Triggers are emotional hot buttons that can ignite a firestorm of emotions. Recognizing these triggers is crucial in preventing unnecessary conflicts and promoting a deeper understanding of each other. The ninth step is to prioritize self-care. Self-care is essential in maintaining emotional resilience, reducing stress, and promoting overall well-being. The 10th step is to cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool that promotes positivity, appreciation, and connection. It allows both partners to focus on the good, celebrate their successes, and find joy in the little things. Let's role-play a scenario where John and Emily are trying to initiate a difficult conversation. Emily starts by expressing her feelings. "John, I feel so hurt and betrayed when you lied to me about your affair. It's hard for me to understand why you did what you did." John responds by acknowledging her feelings. "Emily, I'm so sorry for hurting you. I know my actions were wrong, and I'm committed to making it right." In this scenario, Emily initiates the conversation by expressing her feelings, and John responds by acknowledging her emotions and taking responsibility for his actions. This allows them to have a raw, honest, and sometimes uncomfortable conversation that promotes deeper understanding and connection. Maintaining patience, recognizing triggers, and prioritizing self-care are essential in the healing journey. When both partners prioritize their emotional well-being, they can reduce stress, maintain emotional resilience, and promote a more positive and loving environment. Couples may face common challenges during the healing journey, such as recurring feelings of jealousy or insecurity. To overcome these issues, it's essential to address the root cause of the problem, communicate openly, and find effective solutions together. Rebuilding a relationship shattered by an affair is a long and arduous journey. It requires patience, empathy, and a willingness to grow and learn together. Remember, healing is not a destination, it's a journey that requires commitment, trust, and open communication from both partners. In today's video, we explored the essential steps involved in rebuilding a relationship shattered by an affair. We discussed the importance of emotional readiness, openness to communication, and guidance in the healing process. If you're struggling to heal from an affair, I encourage you to try out the strategies discussed in this video. Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on relationships and personal growth. Remember, healing a marriage after an affair is possible, but it requires effort, commitment, and a willingness to grow and learn together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.